Information and Electronic Government Authority, in cooperation with the Economic Development Board and World Economic Forum, held today an artificial intelligence AI workshop as Bahrain was chosen by World Economic Forum to pilot new guidelines for the procurement of AI in the public sector. More in this report with Heba Abdel Ghaffar.
The World Economic Forum organized a workshop in Bahrain to discuss the future of public procurement of artificial intelligence in partnership with Bahrain Economic Development Board and Bahrain's Information and E-Government Authority.
Following His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, that gave the government the directions to develop plans and strategies in AI. We are in the process of developing these strategies. As usual, Bahrain always been a pioneer in the digital economy, and it's very important to work with the World Economic Forum and their guidelines and trying to implement it as one of the use cases in the procurement process in the government, to learn from this guidelines through the implementations and try to develop our strategies according to the outcomes that will come out of this workshop.
The workshop came after the World Economic Forum annual meeting of the new champions in China, where during the major global event, the World Economic Forum announced that Bahrain is selected to pilot new guidelines for the procurement of artificial intelligence in the public sector, produced by the World Economic Forum Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution.
This is one of the projects that is front and center of our artificial intelligence and machine learning platform, and this is actually a unique position where we can pilot some of our policy proposals, and with the strong cooperation of the government here and also private sector entities, we're looking forward to learning a great deal from how these guidelines will work in practice.
The two-day workshop brings together Bahrain government stakeholders, entrepreneurs and experts to identify key opportunities and challenges for the high-tech industry. The sessions also help to gather evidence and feedback on the guidelines for artificial intelligence procurement in the public sector and develop a roadmap to advance this goal among the government of Bahrain. Bahrain takes the lead in testing the instructions of application and integration of artificial intelligence in the public sector, and today a workshop is conducted gathering all stakeholders to ensure its success. Heba Abdel Ghaffar, Bahrain International.